Guys, so the new update is in banga tone, right? So we have two new updates. Zin. Alright. So the first update we're gonna talk about is the 1 minute cooldown, right? So normally when you know say I use rise and fall and you set the settings and you turn on a banga switch which are gonna take either rise or fall once you reach your requirements. It would have just normally just trade until it reach the target. But what the 1 minute cooldown do, guys, is after each trade it cooldown. So it search for the best setup. So the best settings for use with it, guys, is turn on the banga switch as well, right? So the banga switch is on, which will take rise or fall, and the 1 minute cooldown. And then after each trade it cooldown, right? You basically see it's a first trade cooldown, and you see the next trade it a cooldown same even if it lasts. Then the next trade I will still try to recover, but one thing it'll take a little time. With this, guys, it's longer. You see me? But it's more likely if you give chance to not really over trade with it. You see me? So the next one might get a more chance to recover it. You see me? So after that cooldown they done and you place the next trade, I'm gonna show you the next thing we implement. So the next trade this now. Alright, it lose. But I show you. So basically that's how it go. So after each trade it cool down for 1 minute, right? Alright. With this strategy, guys, the banga tone is not like ramping shop where you can just get up anytime idea and just go trade with it. Because remember saying no, it's like it's in the market when you see the candles and them just go up and down, up and down. You see me say more volatile. You see me, not like ramping shop, you can just go up on it anytime and just make your money. You see me, you have to catch this on a sweet spot. See? Alright, the next one is turn off this and keep on the banga tone. Right? And then turn on confidence. Where's the confidence now? What this does, you see, if the banga tone is on, if this live trend right here, so this, if that, for instance, 60 fall the 60% and you have cooldown at 60, what do you expect to happen? It will place fall. You want, for instance, rise the 60, it will place rise. You see, because the banga tone on. But if the banga tone off, guys, and you place 60 and you choose you fall alone, you just have to wait for a fall alone for reach 60. Or it will just wait for a rise alone for reach 60. Based on confidence rate you set. See? But me, I like just make it faster, so I use banga switch rate or try trade either rise or fall once it met. So when I turn on the banga switch, turn on the confidence, set a target, your confidence rate, say 60 or 65. You don't need to trouble them again, because banga switch will make sure you trade both of them, right? They set the settings and then they resume. By the way, we'll start over. Then I just run. See? So what I do now, it a place a trade because it's supposed to reach one of them supposed to higher than 60 while ago. So see it win there. You see me? See there, so rise there over 60, so it have a press a rise. You see it? So me prefer this, me prefer the confidence. You see me? So no under 60% confidence now go trade. Everything you want to see a trade that's over 60%. You see it? But me I recommend like 65 to 70, you see me? 65 are the sweet spot. You see it? But just show me I do the video more just want to see say oh I saw to do it for make it start trade. So don't just set the settings like look here. Don't just set the settings say booms. It's 65, you turn on your banga switch and just make it stay so. You have to run it, guys. It now go start trade until I press run same way. You see me? So I hope you understand that, guys. And make sure so when you press right here so the tick is beside the auto select, so when you click rise or fall, it automatically click the best pair. You see me? So you see rise just past 65 while ago, if it did run it will take a rise. I show you. Alright. 65. See there? That'll take a rise, win. See it? To wait again. See it? So 65 are the perfect spot or higher. You see man, the higher you go, the more strict I get. The less trades it take it away from a higher requirement. You see me? And, as I said, this strategy you have to use it with a perfect spot. Like especially like you know so early in the morning them time then you know so less people up on the market. Say market not too volatile, you see me? You know. If you're gonna use it in a day, you just bring up the confidence more. You can use like 70 to 75. You see me? So you take more quality trades. Cheat and reach your target, see me? So it not let me tell you, just because this work with the charts in a sense where it market have a calm, it now go smooth like how ramping shop with a smooth. If you're up and reach your target, you might get more losses. You see me? So you see how ramping shop can flip a small account, this are harder for flip a small account, okay? You might get more losses before you get a winnings, you see me? Based on how the market move. But over time you will reach your target, you see me? So yeah. Two ticket duration, 50 cents, 1.5 multiplier. Your max take, how much I don't want the martingale pass on your trade, and a profit target 5, and your last threshold how much you're willing to lose overall in that trade, you see me? So if you have $100 and you're willing to risk $100, that's what you put. You see me? And you're good to go. So make sure banga switch on and the confidence. So you take both rise or fall when you reach your requirement.